Hi, this is Jonathan from Entry Systems Garage Doors, serving Orange County since 1972. And we're trying to pick our perfect garage door today. And we're on the subject of decorative hardware. So decorative hardware is an embellishment or a decoration that typically looks best on carriage house style doors. And the reason this is because the manufacturers give you a little bit more space on the design to fit those handles and hinges. The decorative hardware is made up of handles and hinges, like we just said. You can see these are where you would pull, and that's how the doors would hinge. The handles can either look like a typical handle or like a lever handle or a ring handle. The hinges will typically match the design, so you won't usually choose a different style of handles and hinges. They'll kind of be part of a set. Decorative hardware is available from very thin options to very heavy options. The heavy options typically look the most realistic, but on a steel door, either one is going to look fine. You don't need to have both handles and hinges on the door. You can just choose to have one set of those. On two-car garages, you can even have two full sets or less. It's just depends on what you prefer and what combination you would like. And most decorative hardware is screwed into the door and it's permanent. But there are also some nice magnetic options now available. And from the street, you can't tell unless someone moves it. And my children love doing this, so they think that's fun that they relocate the magnetic hardware. But magnetic is nice because you can just change your mind. You don't have those permanent holes if you remove it. Also, it's easier to clean the door, and again, you can rearrange it anytime you just want to change. So that's kind of nice about the magnetic. But if you would like to see decorative hardware on your door and on your home, the best thing to do is use a door designer website, like on our website or on the manufacturer's websites, and this will help you visualize what would look best on your door and maybe on your home. So I hope that helps, and we'll move on to the next subject. Thanks so much.